等一下，我把这个架上去先，然后这样。这样。
So hello guys, welcome to our live stream today, and we'll begin in a few minutes. Hi guys, this is Teresa, and welcome to our live stream. So today I called Tammy. We were doing this live stream, and we will introduce different products in our companies today. And I will take the first hour, and Tammy will take another hour. And at the last 30 minutes, I and Emily will do like a Q&A session. So we will answer the question from our live stream, from our Instagram, from our Facebook. So we collect those questions about our products, quality, and also if you want to be interviewed. So we collect all of the lots of the questions, about like 10 to 20 questions. So we will answer those questions at the end of the live session, which is 30 minutes later. Yeah. So at the first hour, I will introduce you guys about our smart learning suitcase and also our new products, which is a light, intelligent USB charging ports, electronic suitcase. So we will take this live stream to like 3 different parts. So let's begin with our smart learning suitcase right now. So what I'm seeing on here is our SC3 meeting team. I can show you guys here. So this is a front reading size here about our smart learning suitcase, and as you can see, this is a white one, and we actually have like 2 handles. One handle is like a control handle, and I can put that back. And also we have like one normal trail. So when using this riding suitcase, you can use like a normal one. You can pull it on and pull up, so you can move it anywhere. And also, if you want to using our riding mode, you can put this normal trail down and put this control trail up. And also at the back here, we will have like 2 on the bottom. At the bottom, here is a battery, and it's actually a removable battery, so I can remove this battery and put it out. And when I don't want to use, I can put them back. And also in here, this is a red button. This is a power on button and power off. So I can use this button to open the riding mode or turn them off. And also in another side here, this is our USB charging port design. So actually here are 2 USB charging ports. So we can use these 2 charging ports when we using this suitcase at the same time. So normally this USB charging port sorry. A little bit static. Yeah. Sorry about that. And using these 2 charging ports, we can charge our electronic devices like our low power phone, and also any other iPad, to open the side, open side the suitcase, and we have like a Tsa lock here. So under the suitcase, this is a Tsa Lock Design. So we can actually to open it, and we can see here. Inside is our USB storage space, and you guys can see here inside is quite a large storage space, and it's just a half open mode here, because we can use this half open side to remove things and put things inside very clearly and very easily. And also we can open this two buckle here to make sure it's fully open. So you can put everything you want into the suitcase. Of course, we have like a lot of space inside. You can see here, inside is a quite deep space, and you can still put a lot of clothes and bags and washable things into this suitcase. And also in the front here, we designed two small pockets to protect your electronic devices and some stuff you want to find them easily when you're using it. Since this one is a small pocket, you can store your electronic devices, and also when you order like 2 batteries, so actually you can put this, replace the battery into these pods. It's quite a stable thing, and we have like things will protect them. So when you're putting your laptop devices or battery into this small storage place, it will not move around. And also this one is have mat inside. It's a soft foam inside to protect your electronic devices. Since that we have to make sure our electronic device is well protected, so we make sure inside we have a lot of the soft mat inside. And also another large space, we can put our iPad and any other electronic devices, and also even some small stuff that you want to find them very easily when you want to use them. So you can, when you put all the things in, you can click this half open, and when you want to remove something, you can just make sure it's a half open mode, and you can easily take things out and put things in. So that's a very convenient design for our smart wrapping suitcase. So when you're using this suitcase, you want to put something in, you don't need to like fold down this suitcase. So the in-front design, open design is quite convenient. So as for me, I don't need to like fold down my luggage at any time. And we have here is a Tsa lock, so you can lock this case. This is a Tsa lock, so you can lock this case when you go out. And this is a 3 digital number password, and you can set this password on your own. So that's very convenient, and you can also reset this password when you don't want to use it, or make sure it's change the password for the suitcase. And also, when you're using, so next I will introduce the most intelligent mode to this suitcase, which is our writing mode. So firstly, when you're using the writing mode, you should put this picture handle out, and we need to open the bottom, wrap button here. So to open that, and I can close here a little bit, and as you guys can see, the control button very clearly. So as you can see here, in this handle, we will have like 2 small buttons. So it is a control button. So on your right hand side, this is go forward, yes, up to 8 kilogram per kilogram, 8 kilometer per hour, 8 kilometer per hour. And this is not fast based, so when we're using this riding road suitcase, it's make sure the safety of this suitcase and yourself. Because some like kids would like to play on this smart riding suitcase. So we designed this one for us. Our SE3 Mini T. The design is 8 kilometer per hour, 8 meter per hour, and it's quite convenient when you're using it, and you can also control the speed by itself. Like if you want to use to move fast, you can press the whole button up, so the speed will be very fast. But if you want to just move a little bit slow, you can just press a little bit. So the speed was not fast as the normal. So maybe it's only about like 5 kilometer per hour or like 6 kilometer per hour. So the speed can be controlled by yourself. Hello guys. Yeah, thank you. So this product is quite interesting in our like company right now, and we sell them to many countries. And actually, we have the patent of these products in US, in Europe, and we are actually the only one manufacturer in the world. So if you're interested in our products, you can click the form, and we will do the live streams every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I hope you guys will be interested in these kind of products. Yeah. So if you have any questions, you can leave a comment here, and I can see and reply to you. And also, if you want to product catalog, my assistant Annie will send you detailed information. And if you like, please click the follow and give us some likes. We will appreciate to do a live stream here to you guys, and I hope you will enjoy today's live stream. Yeah. And for our SC3 Mini T, so the maximum loading weight for it will be like 110 kilograms. So for using this riding suitcase, when you sit on the suitcase, will not feel it's like very weak, because this one is should be a sitting one, so the maximum loading weight of this suitcase will up to 110 kilograms. So if you're up to 220 grams, this will be quite okay if you're using this suitcase. And also, the total frame here, the total frame in in front and out and bottom. So we actually have the made of the 100% aluminum alloy, 100% aluminum alloy to make sure the stability of this suitcase. And also in the two shape of the shoe shell here, we applied ABS material, which is high quality ABS. And if you don't know what is ABS, it's quite stable like plastic products in here. So when you have the one to, you don't need to worry to damage that. That's not. So it's very convenient when you saw that products here. The shirt here is made of like very high quality plastic, which is ABS. It's quite stable, and also the frame here is made of aluminum alloy, so it's quite stable when you're using that. So not like this one. This one is not like a sitting pool. So you can see here, the shirt here is a little bit weak, so you can't sit on that. to worry about the quality about this tray. So when you're sitting on that, you don't need to worry about the safety or something else. And also the trail here. So in front here, in front of the suitcase, we got one electronic tail, so which is a 5.5 kilometer, 5.5 inch, so it's quite stable. And also in the back here, we apply is two real tails. This tail is 3.5 inch, so 8.5 inch. So that's why the suitcase is only up to like 8 kilometer per hour, so which is 8 kilometer per hour. So this suitcase is quite convenient to using when you go out, go travel in the airlines, and also you want to go out for a campaign or just sport riding. I will also use this sport riding suitcase. Simply, this suitcase is actually 20 inch. So it's 20 inch and boarding allowed suitcase. So you will wonder about why it has a battery. Is that able to board it? So I will tell you yes. So about this our battery. So the power bank here is actually a removable battery. And this battery is quite important. I would like to show you guys about the detailed information here. So why you guys not see very clearly? I will tell you here. So you guys can see here the battery detail information. So firstly, we have a lot of the certification here. So UN 38.3, MSDS, ROSE, and CE. We passed a lot of certification and we make sure the safety about this battery. And what is important to make sure is can be boarding allowed, which is the UN 38.3. So this is certification under the allies and limitations. So actually normally under the allies report, if your battery's capacity is under 120 H, it will be boarding allowed. So you can see here, our battery capacity is only got 33.26 H, 33.26 H. That means you can taking this battery to the plant, and it will be allowed to use when you have like a tree on the plant. Yeah. And so when you want to using this suitcase, you can pick this battery back to here. So it's very convenient to use. And also in front here, we also design a small, we have small design to check the battery capacity. So when you press this red button here, you will see that I have 5 different lights that shows a capacity of this battery. So when you see the 5 lights are all lights, that means this battery is like a full charge. And so you can see here, this battery, now it only got like 4 lights that is shining. So that means it have like a 70% have been like 30% has been used, and you will still have like 75% it can be used in this battery. Yep. So when you want to use in the riding mode, you don't need to. You have to put it, and you can put this control trailer up. Then you sit on the suitcase, put your feet up, and press the red button, and then you can go forward. And when you press 2 button, go back. So that's very convenient. And when you're going to use this suitcase, and this is also, I mentioned that it's a 20-inch suitcase and about a capacity but up to 26 liters. So you can put a lot of things into this suitcase. And also I will teach you guys, tell you guys about the packaging about this suitcase. So normally we will pack this small luggage into like a brown box, and inside we will also prepare our battery, our charging cables, and also any other related associates. And also we will have the foam inside to protect this suitcase from the damage. And also we will have like a plastic cover to protect the suitcase when it's not damaged and it's more clearly. Make sure it's clean enough. And we will put those different things into this carry box. And inside we will also apply our instruction book and also warranty cards. So this is a normal pack, and also in the top here, we will show you guys about the picture about this suitcase, inside, and also we will mention the different colors about this suitcase, and also many certification and warning lines here. So normally we will have like five slits shape. It's quite a thickness, so you don't need to worry it will be damaged when shipping it. And normally the leading time about this suitcase will up to if you order like a bulk order, like 100 pieces, 300 pieces, maybe the leading time will be longer, which will up to like 30 to 45 days. And if you just play a sample order, the leading time is only got like 3 to 5 days. Working days, yeah. So it's quite fast when you're using this suitcase. Order it. And also if you want, we can also design a colorful box, which is most like the white one. It can be ordered, but for this one, the MAQ might be a little bit high, and the price is also a little bit high. So if you want to order a color box, we might take your extra charge. Yeah. And also for all the suitcases, we can do OEM and ODM. You can change the color of the suitcase and also the logo of the suitcase. But normally you have to meet our MOQ. Normally it will up to like 100 pieces to have like a small soft mat inside. So it will be very protect your computer, laptops, or any other electronic devices are very convenient. Awesome design. Yeah, it's quite very extensive design. So thanks for your appreciate. Yeah. And when I click on that, buckle it, you can put everything inside. Thank you for following. So you guys, if you want to do like our products, you can follow our live stream. And we'll do our live stream like every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday night. So I hope you guys will enjoy. And normally in our live stream time, we'll have some discounts. So in today's live stream, we will selling our SL3C as a free. So if you want to come, we will have like a discount for you guys in our live stream to shipping to different countries. Just whole number password, and you can set this password by your own. It's quite convenient to setting that. You just need to press this button to make sure it's in a long walk mode, and you can flip these 3 digital numbers and to set the password to your like a favorite one, and when you fill out that, it will be set the password to your own. So we also have like instruction books. It will teach you how to set in the password and also reset the password. Yeah. And so when I sit in the suitcase, you can see here, I can put my legs here to get more space, and also I can using the right hand side to control bottom, to control it, and I can run them to everywhere I want. It's quite convenient when I'm sitting on this suitcase and ride on that. And the speed for this SC3S, the speed is a little bit quicker than SC3 So this one is 13 kilometers per hour. 13 kilometers per hour. So the speed is a little bit quicker than SC3 So if you want to get a faster speed of riding suitcase, I think this one is quite suitable for you. And also the same control. Right hand side is go forward. Left hand side is brakes. And also practice 2 buttons together while being reversing. So it's quite convenient when you use, easy to use. And also you can control the speed by yourself. Hi, thanks for following. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment here. Discounts? Yes, we will have discount in a few minutes later. We have like a free SL3C for selling in our live stream today. So, which is our quite new product. It's free gifts for you guys for spreading our New Year's 2022. So, if you guys want to get that free gift, please don't missing us. So this is our free gifts. We were selling at the discounted for time. We're up to like 10 minutes later. So we'll have like selling this suitcase in 15 minutes later. 15 minutes later. So if you want to get this free gift, please don't miss that, and maybe you want to come back in 15 minutes later, and we'll give you guys, we will select the one guy from our live stream in that time, and we'll present you a free gift, which is our SL3C. It's a quite intelligent product, and I would be very like that. It's the pink color. It's quite my favorite color. And also we have the different colors for this gift, and like black one, white one, pink one, and also the blue one, silver one. So 5 different colors for you to choose. And it's have like LED lights here, and you can see it's very nice. And what is the most important for this suitcase? we have like the NFC lock, and we can use our mobile phone to unlock this suitcase. Hello guys, welcome. And in the back here we have like a design to put your USB. So you can see here inside it's a space to put a power bank, and you can use this power bank to charge our electronic devices and also get the power for our like LED lights. And actually, in our mobile phone, you can change different color for these LED lights, and I will show you guys later. So let me back to the riding suitcase SD3S. This is our household products in our like quite Euro markets, European countries, like Belgium, the UK, and China. So this is quite normal things. You can see it's a 20-inch suitcase, and this is like a stretched out suitcase. You might think it's a little bit inconvenient when you want to take it out. Please don't worry, we can do a magic to make this trail get back in. So we'll have like a black buckle here, and I practiced. So actually this stretched out trail will get back to the suitcase. It will have a little bit space here, and we can also put this trail back, switch it back normal mode. So when you want to use it, you can also use here. We have like a normal trail, so you can use this luggage like the normal one, and you can get it everywhere you want, and it's quite convenient when you're using this suitcase when you don't want to use the riding mode. And the total frame about this frame here is about aluminum alloy, 100% aluminum alloy. So it's quite stable. When you sit on it, you will not feel it's quite weak. So you will feel